मैं प्रेमचंद सर। विद्या ददाति विनय विनयादयाते पात्रताम पात्रत्वात् धनमाप्नोते धनात् धर्मा तथा सुखम। Watch video means easy algebra. Please like this video and subscribe this channels because we are very struggle to create this video. Divisibility rules by 1. How we know that the number are divisible by 1? Answer: every integer is divisible by 1, so no rules are needed. Example: 3 is divisible by 1. Example like 2, 4, 8, 2, 3, 7, 5, 4, whatever number. Every numbers or every integers must be divisible by 1. Now divisibility rules by 2. How we know the digits or number are divisible by 2? If the last digit must be even, means first we see the last digit of number. If the last digit of number will be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number is completely divisible by 2. Just like 3456 is divisible by 2 because last digit, that is 6, is an even number. See, 6 is your even numbers which are given here. Another example: 3,43,423 is not divisible by 2 because last digit 3 is not an even number. See, the 3 is not an even numbers. Not all even number are divisible by 2. Divisibility rules by 3. The sum of digits in one number should be divisible by 3. This is easy method to find number divisible by 3. Just like example 3789 is divisible by 3 because sum of the numbers, that is 3 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 27, and 27 is divisible by 3. So 3789 is also divisible by 3. Another example like this is a big numbers is not divisible by 3 because the sum of 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 equal to 38, and 30 is not divisible by 3. So this number is also not divisible by 3. Divisibility rules by 4. The number formed by last 2 digits in one number must be divisible by 4. Example: say if we test the divisibility by 4, then first we need to see the last 2 digits. That is, see here 28 is the last 2 digits, and 28 is divisible by 4 because 24 is divisible by 4. Another example also, see 42 is the last 2 digit, is not divisible by 4. So 42 is also not divisible by 4. Divisibility rules by 5. Last digit must be 0 or 5. We need to see the last digit. This is a 0, and here 0 or 5 will be the 1. Then the number will be divisible by 5. So 0 present here. So 43, 2340 is divisible by 5 because 0 is last digit. Another example, 4 is not divisible by 5 because this is a 4 and it is not the one in our definition. So this number also will not be divisible by 5. Divisibility rules by 6. The number must be divisible by 2 and 3 because 2 and 3 are prime factor of 6. Means say the numbers which divisible by 2 and 3, then the number are also divisible by 6. Say this is divisible by 6 and last digit is 4, so divisible by 2 also, because if the last digit is sum, then the number is divisible by 2 and the sum of this whole number is 42. 42 is also divisible by 3, so this number is also divisible by 6. Another example, 5, 6, 7, 4, 2, 3. Last one is 3 and 3 is not divisible by 2. So the number is not divisible by 2. So no need to check for 3 because we can say this number is not divisible by 6. Divisibility rules by 7. Twice the last digit and subtract it from remaining numbers. In one number, result must be divisible by 7. You can again apply this to check for divisibility test of 7. Means until we apply this rule, whenever you will get our results. Say 343 is divisible by 7, check 34 minus 6, that is a 28, and 28 is divisible by 7. Another example, also you can check this. Divisibility rules by 8. The number formed by last 3 digits in one number must be divisible by 8. In this divisibility rules by 8, we need to check the last 3 digits. 5, 6, 8. If 5, 6, 8 is divisible by 8, then the whole number is also divisible by 8. Another example, but this is not divisible by 8. 7, 4, 2 is not divisible by 8, so this number also will not be divisible by 8. Divisibility rules by 9. Same as 3. Sum of digit in the given number must be divisible by 9. The number was divisible by 3, that number also will be divisible by 9 also. Example, this one is divisible by 9 because 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 6 equal to 36 is divisible by 9. Another example, 87,956 is not divisible by 9 because 8 plus 7 plus 9 plus 5 plus 6 equal to 35 and 35 is not divisible by 3, so the whole number will not be divisible by 9. Divisibility rules by 10. Last digit must be 0. We need to check the last digit. If last digit is 0, then it's divisible by 10 because the last digit is 0. 7, 8, 5 to 1 is not divisible by 10 because the last digit is 1. Divisibility rule by 11. From the alternative sum of digits, the result must be divisible by 11. Say 416042 is divisible by 11 because 41 plus 4 minus 1 plus 6 minus 0 plus 4 minus 2 equal to 11. 11 is divisible by 11. And also we need to the sum of alternative number will be equal, then the number is divisible by 11. Means 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12. Right? Sorry, 4 plus 6 10 plus 4 10 plus 4 14 minus 1 plus 0 1 plus 2 3 41 minus 3 equal to 11. 11 is also divisible by 11. Similarly, you can check this. Divisibility rules by 12. The number must be divisible by 3 and 4 because 3 into 2 into 2 are prime factor of 12. Just check it. This number is divisible by 12 because last two digit is 90, so divisible by 4, and sum of this one is 42 is divisible by 3. Another example, this is not divisible by 6 because last two digit is 59, is not divisible by 4. No need to check for 3. Divisibility rules by 3. Multiple last digit with 4 and it two remains number in the one numbers. Result must be the 1 by 13. You can then apply this to check for divisibility by 13. 4, 5, example 4, 5, 6, 8 is not divisible by 13 because 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 3, 4, 8 is 32, that is 488. And then 480 plus 82 equal to 80 is not divisible by 13. Similarly, you can check another examples. This one is also procedure to check. Divisibility rules by 14. The number must be divisible by 2 and 7 because 2 and 7 are prime factor of 14. Example 28, 196, etc. Divisibility rules by 15. The number should be divisible by 3 and 5 because 3 and 5 are prime factor of 15. Example 45, 75, 135, etc. Divisibility rules by 16. The numbers formed by last 4 digits in the one number must be divisible by 16. Example 78 lakhs 52,176 is divisible by 16 because 2176 is divisible by 16. We need to see 4 digits. If 4 digits are divisible by 16, then the whole number will be divisible by 16. Divisibility rules by 17. Multiple last digit with 5 and subtract it from remaining number in the one number. Result must be divisible by 17. You can check and then apply this to check for divisibility by 17. Follow the similar example given in the divisibility by 7 and divisibility by 30. Divisibility rules by 18. The number should be divisible by 2 and 9 because 2 into 3 into 2 are prime factor of 18. Divisibility rules by 19. Multiple last digit with 2 and add it to remaining number in one numbers. Result must be divisible by 19. You can again apply this to check for divisibility rule by 19. Follow the similar example given in the divisibility by 7 and divisibility by 13. Divisibility rules by 20. The numbers formed by last 2 digits in the one number must be divisible by 20. See, only 2 digits. If 2 digits are divisible by 20, then the whole number is divisible by 20. Now, last 2 digits is 24 is not divisibility by 20 because 24 is not divisible by 20. Thanks for watching.